you want your sentence in Spanish sound more smooth and natural? Today, I'll show you how to use connectors. We have different types of connectors. Today, we will work with 4 of them. First, the addition connectors. We use them to add more information. For example, además, me encanta el chocolate. Besides, I love chocolate. Or, también voy al gimnasio todos los días. Also, I go to the gym every day. The contrast connectors. When you want to show an opposing idea. For example, me gusta el helado, pero prefiero el pastel. I like ice cream, but I prefer cake. Or, quería salir, sin embargo, empezó a llover. I wanted to go out, however, it started raining. We have time connectors, which help you to tell things in order. For example, antes de salir, desayuné. Before leaving, I had breakfast. Or, después de la película, fuimos a cenar. After the movie, we went to dinner. And we have the cause and effect connectors, which help you to explain the why of something. For example, no fui a la fiesta porque tenía que estudiar. I didn't go to the party because I had to study. Or, estudié mucho, por eso saqué una buena nota. I studied a lot, that's why I got a good grade. And don't forget to follow us for more Spanish tips or go to trioctv.us to start learning Spanish with native speakers.